Welcome my dear friends to sharmaclassesnaku.com. Here is problem number 3, in which we are asked to find which term of the sequence is 100. So every time a single concept we can use, every time we can use the same formula, nth term formula. So we know that nth term in a AP is, first of all, which term of the sequence. So this sequence is a progression or not. Okay, first we will see that thing. So we know there is a common difference, that is 74 minus 72 to 76 minus 74 and so on. So there is a common difference, and when there is a common difference, the sequence is a series known as arithmetic progression. So we know that it is an arithmetic progression. And since it is an arithmetic progression, we know the terms should be of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on, and the final nth term should be, we know the first term is a, second term is a plus, in a way, 1d, and third term is a plus 2d, that is third means 2, second means 1, and so on like this. So the nth term should be, or nth term should be 1 less than this, so it should be a plus n minus 1 into d. Which term of the sequence is 100? So let's assume that 100 is the nth term. Nth term itself is 100. So we got, according to formula, we know nth term is first term plus n minus 1 into common difference d. So here we know a, and that is 100 is the nth term for us. The first term is 72, and which term, this itself we are finding, and we are finding now d, we know it is 74 minus 72. D is common difference 74 minus 72, which is equal to 2. So this is 2. So this 100 is equal to 72 plus 2n minus 2, or 100 is equal to 70 plus 2n, or 2n is equal to 100 minus 70, 30. So n is equal to 15. So 100 is the 15th term of this series. You can count and you can see 78. After 78 we will get 80, 82, and so on like this. So now after this problem, another problem, which term of the sequence is 40? So now they look similar, but here from 72 we are having an increasing pattern, but in this case we are having a decreasing pattern. That is, common difference is not 2 now, it is 70 minus 72, which is minus 2. That is, common difference 2 is replaced by minus 2. Which term again implies let nth term. Always a single formula in maximum cases. Let nth term be 40. When nth term is 40, we know again formula remains same, a plus n minus 1 into d. In both the cases a is 72. 72 is the very first term. So nth term we are assuming 40 itself to be the nth term. First term is 72 plus n minus 1. We require to find this n only, into d. D is now 70 minus 72. D is 70 minus 72, that is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2. Now 40 is equal to 72 minus 2n plus 2. So this minus 2n suppose transposes to the left side. So we get over 2n. This is 74. 74 minus 40. 74 minus 40, which is equal to 34. So n is 34 by 2, that is 17. So the 17th term will be 40. Thank you, my dear friends.